Hello everyone. Now this is an unboxing video of the Western Digital USB to SATA adapter with PCB number 800041. Now let's unbox. So inside are the two screws. To fix the SATA adapter to USB hard drives. So here are two screws. Okay, let's get the adapter out of the plastic box. Okay, let's check. This is a SATA adapter. On the other side, the power GND data rate pins. And then you just put the screws here. Now, for example, this is one USB hard drive, and users just install the adapter like this one. So users can convert easily from the USB interface, convert the USB interface to SATA. You know, for Western Digital USB SMR hard drives, it has the SED knock and MCU knock. When users work with the pension drives with bad sectors, wickets, or firmware corruption, it's best to convert the USB interface to SATA for more stable data transfer. So this one becomes very necessary and important. So which models are using the PCB number 83041? Let's go to the computer and check. So these models, these drives are using the PCB number 83041. Okay, we can see the family is Spyglass or Spyglass 2. Spyglass or Spyglass 2. These are the drives. And the users can come here to buy this adapter at a very good price. Okay? So this is the unboxing video for the Western Digital 83041 USB to SATA adapter. Thank you for watching the video.